Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this flyer easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it we have to click on here. Then I have to select centimeters from here. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 210. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 297. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 100. Then we have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to select the pen tool from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then I have to select the move tool. Then I have to select the shape tool again. Then I have to right click on here. Then I have to select round shape from here. Then I have to draw, press and hold the shape key. Then I have to draw the shape in here. After that I have to click on here. Then I have to select the white color. Then I have to increase the screen size. Then I have to select this shape. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to right click on here. Then I have to click on the wrap. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to select this again. Then I have to go to the layer panel. Then I have to right click on here. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the stroke. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select the blue color. Then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to increase the size of the stroke. Then I have to click on the OK again. Now I have to select the pen tool again. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to select this. Then I have to drag this under these layers. Then I have to double click on here. Then I have to select the red color. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then click on the select the move tool. Then drag this under these layers. Then select this again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it up again. Then increase the size of this. Then drag this under these layers. Then double click on here. Then select the green color. Then drag this in here. Then I have to rotate this. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Now I have to select the pen tool again. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here, and here. Then I have to select the move tool. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to press and hold the shape key. Then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then I have to select the pen tool again. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on the anchor point. Then I have to click on here, and here. Then click on the fill color. Then select the blue color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this under this layer. Then zoom in the screen. Then I have to select this and right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Then click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Now I have to select this and right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then select this. Then click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this. Then click on the color. Then we have to select this color. Click on the OK. Then I have to select this, then click on the color again, then You have to select this color, click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then drag this in here. Then I have to select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option. Then I click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then you have to drag this in here, then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the reds, then you have to select this color, then you have to select this, then click on the delete button, then drag this in here, then click on the color, then select the red color, then click on the OK, then you have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color, and click on the OK. Now I have to drag this in here, then I have to drag this in here, then I have to click on the OK. After that, you have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then I have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color, OK, then select this, then select this, then click on the delete, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the color, then select this color, OK. Now I have to click on here, then click on here, then select this color, OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse, and click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow, then increase the opacity, increase the size, then increase this, then increase the distance. OK. After that, we have to open a picture to set in here. So I am opening a picture from my PC. After open the picture, we have to unlock this picture. Then I have to drag this image in our business card, flyer. Then I have to select this and the round shape. Then press Ctrl+Z button from keyboard. Then click on here. Then select the picture. Then right click on here. Then click on the create clipping marks. Then select the picture. Then increase the size of this picture. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to open your company logo. Then click on the tick mark. Now we have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your company name in here. Then you have to select this text, then you have to increase the size of this text from here. Then I have to select this text again, then increase the size of this text. Then you have to double click on here, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark again. Now I have to select the shape tool and right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool. Then I have to draw the shape in here. Then I have to increase the pixels from here. Then select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then drag this in here. Then click on here. Then select the white color. Then select the move tool again. Now we have to select the text tool again. Then I have to click on here. Then write your company category in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. After that you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to write here headline. Then you have to select this text, then click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this text. Then you have to select the text tool again. Then you have to click on here, then you have to write your company headline in here. After write the headline, you have to select the move tool, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select these layers, then click on the lock icon, then select these layers, then click on the lock icon. Then select these layers, then click on the lock icon again. Then select these layers, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of these layers. Then increase the size of this. Then I have to select these layers again, then drag these layers in here. Then select these, then drag this in here. Now we have to select these layers, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of these layers. Then click on the tick mark. Then I have to select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the round shape from here, then press and hold the shift key, then draw this shape in here. Then select the layer panel, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke. Then click on here, then select inside from here, then select the color over, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now I have to select the move tool, then increase the display size, then drag this in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. After that you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then you have to increase the pixels from here, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, and press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then click on here, then click on the tick mark, then click on here, then select the brown color, then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here. Now we have to select the text tool, then click on here, then write your company services in here. Then you have to select this text, then click on here, then select the brown color, then click on the OK. Then select this and drag this in here, then decrease the size of this, then click on the tick mark. Then select this and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then take a copy again. After that you have to open some icons to set in your flyer. After open all icons, you have to set these icons in your flyer. After that you have to select the text tool, then click on here, then write your website name in here. Then select this text, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then have to drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again. Then decrease the size again, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Now we have to open the mail. Then you have to select that move tool again, then select this, then press and hold the Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then press and hold the Shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to increase the display size, then drag this in here. Then click on here, then click on the tick mark, then click on here and select the white color. Then you have to select this again, then drag this in here and select the mail and drag this in here. Then select this text and press and hold out key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select this and double click on here, then write your mail in here. Then you have to double click on here again, then press Ctrl+C button from keyboard, then select this, then double click on here, then press Ctrl+V button from keyboard. So now you can see our flyer design has been completed. Now we have to set this flyer in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here, then you have to back to the project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. After I unlock the layers, so you have to select the layers from here, then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this flyer in here. After set the flyer, you have to click on the tick mark, then you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.